Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is my childhood memories. We all have lots of memories in our life, but our childhood memories are the best one, and they have special place in our heart because we cannot experience our childhood again. Once it goes, it will never come again. We all want to go back to the past and see our childhood again, but unfortunately, it is not possible and it will never happen. So, the childhood have the special memories in our heart. When I think about my childhood, I feel very happy and delighted, and special smiles appear on my face automatically. Basically, I am from a rural area and I spent most of my childhood days in my village. The name of my village is Vadgaon Tejan. So, most of my memories are associated with my village, my primary school, my family, and our farm. First of all, I would like to tell you about my childhood memories associated with my family. There are four members in my family: my father, my mother, my younger sister, and me. I have lots of good memories associated with my family, especially with my sister. I always fight with her in my childhood, and she always complains about me to my father, and they always punish me. And because I do a lots of stupid things, and because of my stupidity, I always punished by my father. But that punishment was not serious; it was fun type. It was about a fun. So I always, when I recall about that things and that memories, some unexpressible joy is passed from my face. During my childhood, when my father went to the market, they always bought some food, sweet, and fruits for us, and we always eagerly wait for them. During my childhood, I always used to go to the farm with my father. My father always pick me on their shoulder and take me to the farm, and I have lots of memories associated with my farm. Near my farm, uh, there was a river passed nearby my farm, and I always like to play with the water in the river. I used to catch some small fish from the river and take it to the our well. So there are various memories associated with my farm. During my childhood, I have lots of memories associated with my school. I completed my primary school from my village, and the name of my village is Marathi Purva Madhyamik Shala Vadgaon Tijan, and it was a JLP school, that is Jilla Parishad school. In my school, I had a lots of friends, and I have a lots of good memories with my friends. During my school days, my best friend was Vitthal Raut and Vijay Zadav, and I have lots of fun with them, and I have many memories with them. In our during our school days, at the starting of the school days, I was not interested to go to the school, but my parents always sent me forcefully to the school. At the starting days, my mother used to drop me to the school, but after 2 3 hours, I come back to the home. But after some days, I have developed interest in school because of my father, because they teach me various things at home. They teach me small things like alphabets, words, and Marathi Barakadi, and some other things, and make my study interesting. So I have developed interest in school, and I like to go to the school. And when after some days of my school, I meet to lots of good friends. I have already tell that I have best friends like Vitthal and Vijay. I enjoy my school days with them. Along with study, we also do a lots of things. In our lunch break, our school provide us a various type of the foods, especially the khichdi, and that khichdi was very special. Uh, what we call it in English, the food which is made from a rice. So at the mid break, we used to go to the farm which is near to our village, and we bought some fruits like mangoes, berries, etc., and distribute it to our friends. Then at 4 p.m. there was our one more break, third break of the school, and after that school provided us a special time for games. So in that time we played a lots of games like cricket, kabaddi, kho, etc. So I have lots of memories associated with my school. During my school days, when my father brings me a new school bag, new books and new clothes, I always become a very happy, and that was a special memory, and that was a special thing that I always recall and become a very happy. During my childhood days, uh, in summer holidays and in Deepavali holidays, I always go to the my maternal parents home, and I have lots of friends in my maternal grandparents village. So I have enjoyed my life and beautiful days of my childhood. Some of days in my own village and some of the days in my maternal grandparents village. We celebrate various festivals like Diwali, Ganpati at a very high during my childhood. So I have the lots of memories associated with my childhood, but all of the memories I cannot express in the words. So thank you.